We're talking about angles of depression and elevation. The trick is that they're equal to each other. So if they tell you one, you can find the other. So let's say we have a building here, and we have a ladder. Well, we have a boat out on the river near the building. How's this? I can really draw. I'm like an artist, so just try to bear with me. And let's say that the angle of depression from the top of the building to the boat is 35 degrees. Well, angle of depression, if we drew a horizon right there, and we drew this angle that it makes with the boat right here, this would be the angle of depression. It's the angle that something far away makes with the horizon. Does everybody see that? Because the horizon is parallel with the ground, and that means parallel. That means that this angle here would be the alternate interior, and it's also the same. And this one's called the angle of elevation. So I always like to draw a right triangle and put whatever angle they give me, either depression or elevation, put it right here. And then you can use SOHCAHTOA to solve the triangle. Okay? A hot air balloon is up in the sky, and this is my hot air balloon, and there's it's really colorful, and measures a 33-degree angle of depression. So I'm going to do my horizon, and then I'm going to do my angle of depression at 33 degrees. Everybody see that? And to a landmark that's 1,579 feet away, measuring horizontally. So I'm going to draw my triangle always on the floor like this. And this would be 1579, and this would be 1579. Does everybody see what I'm saying? If they said the balloon was 1,579 feet away from the object, it would be the hypotenuse. You got it? But if it says measuring on the horizontal, it's the bottom. What is the balloon's vertical distance above ground? So you put an X there, if you have that. Well, we know that the angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. So we're going to go ahead and put that 33 there also, right? Okay, so I've got that the 1579 to the 33 is the adjacent. The X is the opposite, right? So that would be tangent of the angle equals opposite over adjacent. And you just go ahead and multiply those together. What do we get? So the balloon is 1,025.41 feet in the air. And with Delta Math, they're going to tell you how they want you to round. And they want you to round to the 10th. So 102.5.4 feet in the air.